Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we want to find the possible value of x given that we have x to the power of 2 minus x cubed equals 36. Now let's have it to the solution. So from here we have x to the power of 2 minus x cubed equals 36. Now from here we can have this as s to the power of 2 minus s cubed equals, we can have 36 as 9 plus 27. And so from here we have s to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals, we can have 9 to be in base 3 as 3 to the power of 2 plus 27 to be in base 3 will be 3 to the power of 3. So now let's do something reasonable. Let's take this here and this one here. We have s to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2, again x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 to be equals 0. Now, having done this one, then let's also now group them. By grouping them, we have s to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 as this. Then when you factor minus out here will be s to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3, then we have all to be equal 0. Now mind you that we have this as the format of a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. This as this, and we have this as to be a square minus b square. But a square minus b square always equals, difference of 2 square equals, when you have a plus b, then multiply by a minus b. And likewise, when you have, this implies that we're going to have from here, we have x square minus 3 to the power of 2 will be equals x plus 3, then multiply by x minus 3. Likewise, for this, when you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equals, when you have a plus b, then multiply by again a square minus ab plus b square. So from here, when you now have s to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3, this will give us x plus 3, then multiply by x square minus 3x plus 9. Then let us now substitute this and this here. Then we are going to have this as, from here, x plus 3, then multiply by x minus 3. Then we have minus from here to be outside. Then we now have the whole of this as x plus 3, then multiply by x squared minus 3x plus 9. Then everything equals 0. Now, we have x plus 3, x plus 3. So therefore, x plus 3 is common. We can easily factor it out to be, this will be x plus 3, then this will remain x plus 3 multiplied by s minus 3 divided by this, we have only s minus 3. Then the whole of this divided by this, we only have minus into x squared minus 3x plus 9 to be equals 0. We have x plus 3. Then when you open the bracket, s minus 3, open with minus, we have minus x squared plus 3x minus 9. We have everything to be equals 0. So guys, from here, we have x plus 3. Then we have this By taking this first, we have minus x squared. Now, x plus 3x will give us plus 4x minus 3 minus 9 will give us minus 12. Then we have everything to be equal to 0. And for this expression to be equal to 0, is either we have s plus 3 equals 0, or we have minus x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. By dealing with this one first, we have our s to be equals minus 3. And that is the first real solution. Now, from here too, we have to standardize this quadratic by multiply through by minus. We have this one to be x squared minus times this will be plus, this one will now be minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. When you multiply by minus. Now, so to get the value of s from here, let us apply this formula. S equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then how are you going to get your a? Now from here, the coefficient of x squared is 1. From here, your a equals 1. Now the coefficient of x is minus 4. Then your b is what? Minus 4. The constant value c equals minus 12. And the moment when you put everything here, we have our s to be equals minus into minus 4, positive or negative, square root of minus 4 square, minus into 4 times a, 1 times c. So this one's supposed to be 12. Will now be times 12. Then all divided by 2 times 1. So from here we have our s to be equals, minus times minus will be plus, positive or negative. This one will be 16. 4 times 1, 4 times 12 will be minus 48 divided by 2. So we have this as s equals 4, positive or negative, square root of 16 minus 3, we have it to be minus 32 divided by 2. And so from here we have our s to be equals 4, positive or negative, square root of minus 1 times 32 divided by 2. And this equals 4, positive or negative, square root of minus 1, then multiplied by square root of 32 divided by 2. Now from here you have our s to be equals 4, positive or negative, square root of minus 1 is high, then multiply by, this can be simplified as 16 times 2, then divided by 2. And this will give us 4, positive or negative, then I multiply by square root of 16 is 4, then multiply by root 2 divided by 2. Now, we have our s to be equals 4, positive or negative, 4 root 2i divided by 2. So from here, when this will cancel this, we have it to be 4 divided by 2, positive or negative, 4 root 2i divided by 2. Then we have our s to be equals, this will remain 2. We have it to be 2, positive or negative. This will also remain 2. We have it to be 2 root 2i. Now, when you recall, we have the first value of s1 to be equals minus 3. From here, will now be s2 to be equals 2 by picking the positive 2 root 2i. Then s3 will now be 2 minus 2 root 2i. And these are the 3 possible answers. But now let us now check. To check for real solution, you have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals 36. When x equals minus 3, let's see what will happen. We have minus 3 all square minus into minus 3 to the power of 3. Then is it going to give us 36? From here, when you have negative minus to the power of even, we have it to be plus. 3 square will give you 9 minus. When you have minus to the power of odd, we have it to be minus. 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27. Then is it going to give us 36? Now from here you have 9. Minus times minus will be plus 27 because 36. So this is true when s equals minus 3. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.